You clicked this video because you want to get straight A's in mathematics. Let me tell you a proper framework on how to study mathematics effectively and ace your every exam. First and foremost, what is stopping you from getting high grades? Answer is mindset and lack of proper strategy. The right mindset. We all know mathematics is a challenging subject. While solving problems, be kind to yourself and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are the beauty of mathematics. Here's a quick tip related to mistakes. Note down mistakes you made while solving a problem on a separate notebook. Elaborate where you went wrong. Don't be afraid of occasional outbreaks. Celebrate even small progress. While solving mathematics, you have to be flexible, explore, and adopt different strategies. Most of the time, there are more than one solution to a problem. Don't forget your friends, they are always there for you. Collaborate with them and help each other. Remember, you will get better at maths over time. This is exactly how to approach mathematical problem. The most important step to tackle any problem is to understand the question. Sometimes we know the solution but fail to get the right answer because we don't know exactly what question is asking for. To better understand maths and numerical, learn all terminologies used in topic and question. It will help you visualize the problem. Break down the problem into smaller and manageable parts. Be very clear on every step. Why am I solving this? What will I get from this? And where will I use it in the original problem? Solve examples of your textbook given before topic. They mostly cover method of solving the problem and you can learn the procedure. If you get stuck in a problem, do not waste your time solving that problem. Move on to next problem. Remember, you can always come back later. Use technology to get upper hand like Google Bot, ChatGPT and YouTube are always there for you. Here's a quick tip. Use act as a mathematician in ChatGPT and Google Bot to get better responses. You can also try searching problem on internet and you will get similar problems. You can apply their procedure to your problem. Do not follow the tutorials blindly. Try to solve by yourself first. If the answer is incorrect, then check where you went wrong and reattempt the problem. But do not just copy and paste. Do not leave gaps. They will compile and will become a big hole in your understanding. Learn every detail and go to the roots by learning inside out of a topic. Forge a bedrock by mastering the fundamental principles. So, can you get 100% on every test? Okay, here's how. Learn all related topics that will solidify your concept. Solve every numerical of textbook by yourself without skipping any. It will not only challenge your understanding but will cover pitfalls in your understanding as well. Do not move to next topic before mastering the previous one. Filling every gap will take more time and efforts, but trust me, it's worth it. Review your notes before attending class and after every 2 or 3 days. And don't forget to look at your mistake book every day. It will make you not repeat the same mistakes. Here's a secret tip for you. Select the tough problem from every exercise and make a question paper. You can solve them one day before exam and your all concepts will be refreshed. Thanks me later. Review the test after getting results so you can know where you went wrong and fill those gaps. Practice mathematics every day, no matter how little, but do maths every day. It avoids cracks in your understanding. Practice from different sources like internet. If you will not practice, you will forget. Practice is the only way to get good in mathematics. Last but not least, use Feynman Technique. Teach your friends, your classmates, it will solidify your concepts and make them stick longer. If you are still watching, here's a bonus tip. You can also teach the camera, record yourself and use it to revise. Best of luck for your upcoming exam.